In this video, we are talking about the tectonic plate theory. Mostly, it is the Geography Lesson 2, Class 9, Physical Feature of India. All we know that our country has practically all major physical features of the earth. That is, mountain, plain, desert, plateaus, and island. India is a large landmass formed during the different geological periods which has influenced her relief. Besides geological formation, a number of processes such as weathering, faulting, erosion, deposition have created and modified the relief of its present form. Earth scientists have attempted to explain the formation of physical features with the help of some theories based on certain evidence. One of the such theory is theory of tectonic plate. According to this theory, the outermost part of the earth interior is made of two layers. Above it, the lithosphere consisting the crust and the metal. Below the lithosphere, there is the asthenosphere. Although it is a solid, but it can flow like a liquid. Radioactive decay in the interior of the earth produce heat and pressure which rise to the surface and tear the crust into large pieces called tectonic plate. There are 7 major and few minor plates on earth. The movement of the plate results in the building of the stress within the plates and the continental rocks above, leading to the folding, faulting and volcanic activity. Broadly, these plate movements are classified into 3 types. While some plates come towards each other and form convergent boundary, some plates move away from each other and form divergent boundary. In the event of 2 plates coming together, they may either collide and crumble, or one may slide under the other. At times, they may also move horizontally past each other and form transform boundary. So, the mostly movement of the plate you can understand. The oldest landmass was a part of the Gondwana land. The Gondwana land include the India, Australia, South Africa, South America and Antarctica as one single landmass. The convectional current split the crust into a number of pieces, thus leading to the drafting of Indo-Australian plate. After being separated from the Gondwana land 2 hours the northward draft resulted in the collision of the plate with the much larger Eurasian plate. That means the Australian plate moves southwards and the Asian-Eurasian plate moves northward. Due to this collision, the sedimentary rocks which are accumulated into the geosyncline known as thays were folded to form of mountain system of Western Asia. Today we know that is Himalaya is also a folded mountain. The whole mountain system of Himalaya represent a very youthful topography with high peaks, deep valley and fast flowing river. The northern plain are formed of alluvial deposits. The Peninsula Plateau is composed of indigenous and metamorphic rocks with gently rising hill and wide valleys. So next to be in the next video.